The government is also exploring blockchain technology to promote transparency. Is that a step in the right direction? What are your thoughts?
Well, that's a good idea because whoever's going to make those insertions, you will find out immediately through the blockchain. Di ba? So again, there is immediate verification. We don't have to call them into the Senate or to the or to the Congress because whoever access those files or change those files, that is already verifiable. So that is actually a step in the right direction. The question is, how fast are we able to implement this? Especially with, we've been hearing a lot of talks about some people who want to reform their government agencies. And of course, you use technology, di ba? And what happens? Some people will put strawberry jam peanut butter on the computer wires. What happens? Di ba?
Are you talking about the Bureau of Customs?
Yes,
Yes.
'di ba? So, maraming ways, 'di ba? Even these corrupt officials or people who are corrupt, they also find ways to, try to stay ahead. So we need to also up our ante if we really want to have a transparent uh, accountability and of course we want governance.